Okay. So these are all cicadas, right? And then we have
This ain't cooked.
a fried cicada, a baby one, or a young one, and then an older one. Let's see. So it's older because it has the wings. Alright, I'm not eating that one, but I will eat this fried one.
They're both fried.
No.
Well, the young fried one.
I don't
here
like
we
the
go.
steamed one.
It's not bad. Even you think about it, it's a bug, but then you bite into it and it doesn't really taste like a bug. If you didn't tell me it was a bug, you just think it was some kind of.
Take like a what? You have to say.
I don't know, like a.
It tastes good with beer.
Like a salty,
Nut.
a fried salty
Some kind of nut.
protein snack, like a nut, like a kind of like a soggy nut, like soggy cashew or something,
Or a boiled peanut.
a boiled peanut. It tastes like a boiled peanut.